Hi, I'm Gianmarco Scala, PT Business Director at SACMI, and I would like to invite you to take a close look to the new IPS 400D press for PT preform production, which we will be showcasing at the DRINKTEC exhibition from September 15 to 19. IPS 400D was born from the needs of our customers: maximize production, minimize energy consumption, simplify operator station. IPS 400D is a complete production cell designed and built by SACMI to achieve the highest performance from perfectly integrated components. We design and build our IPS press, MPS mold with the Flow Plus runner, and PVS vision system for preform and process control in our workshop. Some of the IPS solutions that enable both increased performance and significant energy saving are the Cool Plus cooling system, the toggle unit driven by an electrical system with integrated curves, the use of a servo pump in the hydraulic system. With this and other innovative solutions, the lock-to-lock time of the IPS 400D drops below 2 seconds, even for large molds. The drives of the takeout plate and the toggle unit include curve system that reduce energy consumption by up to 15%, making this machine among the most energy efficient on the market. IPS 400D and the Flow Plus runners are compatible with most of the cold hulls and machines currently available on the market. Additionally, SACMI Flow Plus have already been successfully operated by several customers worldwide. At SACMI, digitalizing manufacturing means making it more profitable and sustainable. Therefore, we put several enabling tools at your service that help you make informed decisions based on objective data. PVS 156, the embedded vision system for process and product quality control, designed and manufactured at SACMI. Smart Pack and Smart Care, the premium package of hardware and software solution for fast and precise action on the process, and a continuous, in-depth, medium to long-term monitoring of your machines. The PVS Vision Inspection System takes advantage of the latest development in SACMI Vision System. With up to 7 cameras, PVS is available embedded or standalone. It comes with Class AI, the process control tool that, working on artificial intelligence model, allows not only to identify defects and causes, but also to classify the defects, greatly simplifying control. We have a lot more to show you. Visit us at DRINKTEC to see the future of your manufacturing up close.